Breaking news. It was reported about 3:55 a.m. this morning that an accident occurred on the new highway between Mosquito and some mix-up gal named Chikungunya. The Mosquito did not sustain any injuries and later escaped into nearby bushes. The police tried to apprehend him due to allegations of fever, vomiting, rashes, muscle pain, muscle spasm, as well as occasional diarrhea. He, however, denied the allegations. Our news reporter Claudius wasn't seen, and this is what the residents had to say.
Yes. My name is Naba. I will need justice. Can't manage it no more. Nobody knows that everybody down there is quite innocent. But the point is, the people them, what the mosquito them are biting. We cannot manage unless stop it. Only when I voting time come, I see around here. But come back here next year, I will find out. We cannot manage it no more. We want vegans, want everything down here. See there? Clean skin, pretty knees, them come up here. Chikungunya take them over. We can't manage it no more. We need justice.